Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a very interesting integration question. This came in NDA 2024 also. The question says if integration of this part is this, then what is the value of alpha and beta? So how do we solve this quickly? We'll use the relation between integration and differentiation. What is the relation? We know that integration is exact opposite of differentiation. What I mean by that is if this part is integrated and gives you this part, then on differentiating this, I should get this part. So for example, if I just differentiate this, I'll get something like this, right? And this is the differentiation of this part. That means this mathematically should be equal to this part. So how we'll use this here is, let's say x is equals to 0. That means cos x will be 1 and sin x will be 0. So once you put this value here, we get 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 by 2 into 1 plus 5 into 0 is equals to, same when we put this value here, we get alpha by 29 plus beta by 29, and we get 5 minus 0 by 2 plus 0. On simplifying this, we get 3 by 2 is equals to alpha by 29 plus beta by 29 into 5 by 2. Let's call this equation 1. Similarly, if we put x is equals to pi by 2, we get cos x is 0 and sin x is 1. And on putting these value here, we get 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1 by 2 into 0 plus 5 into 1 is equals to alpha by 29 by plus beta by 29. Cos will be 0, so we have minus 2 by this again is 0, so we'll have 5, right? And on simplifying this, we get 4 by 5 is equals to alpha by 29 minus beta by 29 into 2 by 5. Let's call this equation 2. Now we have two equations, both in terms of alpha and beta, and we just need to solve this to find the answer now. So let's just take these two equations now. So we have 3 by 2 is equals to alpha by 29 plus beta by 29 into 5 by 2, and the other equation is 4 by 5 is equals to alpha by 29 minus beta by 29 2 by 5, right? So if we subtract this, this becomes plus, this gets cancelled, and we get basically 3 by 2 minus 4 by 5 will give you 10. 15 minus 8 is 7 by 10. So here we get 7 by 10. And then if we take beta by 29 common outside, we get 5 by 2 plus 2 by 5. And on simplifying this, we get 7 by 10 is equals to beta by 29, 29 by 10. 29, 29 gets cancelled, 10, 10 gets cancelled. We get beta equals to 7. So now we have the value of beta. So hence answer is 7 here. If we can just put the value of beta in any of the equations, and on solving that, we get alpha equals to 26. And that's how you solve this question without even integrating it. I hope this helped you in some ways. And if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.